Hey, this video is for Jasmine. She asks, how can lifestyle factors help manage autoimmune conditions? And we're going to give you some really wonderful pointers today. So remember, autoimmune conditions have triggers. Some of those triggers are food. So if you can find out which foods are inflaming and bothering your system and remove those, that's some help. Most common factors for many, not all autoimmune patients, are gluten, wheat, and dairy, sugar, processed foods. There's also chemical toxicity. A little bit difficult to find out all the different chemicals we have issues with, but some can be found out, and there are ways to detox from those. These often require medical intervention like our office. There's also illness. If you get sick, that can throw off your immune system. So keeping your immune system strong, which is something our office can help you do, is also an important way to remove triggers. But other lifestyle factors, not just food, there are things like stress management. So what kind of stress management techniques can help? You can do meditation, you can do prayer, you can do yoga, qigong. All of these things we teach when we have patients, and we teach them when we're doing an educational portion. Of course, there's other aspects of your health like sleep. If you have sleep difficulty, we need to talk about that, help regulate that. And sometimes you need medical interventions because hormones, cortisol, these things which are outside of your control can affect your sleep. So those are some basic suggestions. We look at things like food, look at illness, look at toxicity, look at sleep, look at stress management techniques that can all help with autoimmune disorders. And I know when we tell you these things, it can be a little bit daunting because it seems like there's a lot of moving parts. But just like any game, for example, I played basketball when I was in high school and I was a small forward. But there's multiple positions on the court. And when you have a coach that can guide all the players in the different positions to work together as a team, what happens is you have a recipe for success. So what you need, like most people, is a good coach, a good doctor who can look at the whole picture. So we hope that's useful. We're happy to talk to you when you're ready.